Hello, this is Bryan from GHL. Welcome to another installment in our video tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get started using Telus Health's virtual visit in your PS Suite EMR. The functionality is fully integrated into the appointment calendar, so we'll begin by booking an appointment. I'll double-click into the 10:30 time slot and choose my client. At this point, we want to make sure that the email address we have on file is correct. That is the email address that will be sent the link to start the video visit. It's correct here, so I will choose Virtual Visit Video from the drop-down to make this a virtual visit appointment and click OK. The appointment's booked. It says Virtual Visit in the comments, and we can see a little video camera icon. This video camera icon will turn green when the email link has been sent to the client, and that is our confirmation that the video visit is booked and ready to go. Okay, the icon has turned green. That confirms for us that the link has been emailed to the client. This is the email that the client receives. Has their name, confirms the date and time that a visit is scheduled, and they can just click this Attend Your Virtual Visit button, and it starts the video visit on their end. To begin the virtual appointment, you right-click on the appointment in your calendar and choose Start Virtual Visit. Virtual Visit launches in a Chrome browser window. You can double-check that your video and audio settings are correct and that your work background is appropriate. When you're ready, just click Join Virtual Visit. You have the client in the foreground and yourself in the small window, and your video visit is established over Telus' encrypted facilities. You can now conduct your appointment with the client. There's also a chat box if you want to have a text conversation if required. And there's the option to send attachments. Click on the paperclip icon. And then send to patient. When the appointment is over, you can end the video visit by clicking on the red hang up button. Prompted to confirm that you want to end the video visit. And that concludes your video visit. You then have the option to generate a report with the visit start date and end times. You can include the contents of the chat box. Click Generate Report. And you can save this directly to the chart as a record of your appointment. Conducting a virtual visit is as simple as that. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you next time.